How to repair a solar pool panel, FAFCO brand. First you turn on your pumping equipment, and you gotta come up here and find your leak. Once you find exactly where it's leaking, find your tube. I trace that tube all the way up, and I'll do it all the way to the bottom too. And now we're gonna go shut off our pool equipment. Now we got the pump shut off, so I keep my plugs in here, make it easier so I don't have to carry a bunch of stuff. So we get our plug ready on our poker, little hole in there. Now we come over where we made our mark, come down just a little bit, so you don't want to go too close to the header, because then you won't get your plug in. So there might still be some water in there. I'll just cool you off. And get our poker. Jam up in there. Okay, now I count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 tubes. Plug right in there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Find our 8th tube. Go down just as far as it'll let you. Pump that up. You can take your plug. Alright. And you're all plugged up. Nothing leaking. Now after we've turned the pump back on, we've let all the air out of the system. There's no bubbles left in them coming out of the jets, so we're full. Take a feel. They're nice and cool. It's about 1,000 degrees up here, so those should be burning hot, but they're nice and cool because the water's gone through them. Now we can look here. Our panel, it's not leaking. We got it all repaired over here too. And system's good to go.